What up, y'all? It's your boy C-Sick. Just got my cut today. You know what I'm saying? I was wolfing for 6 weeks. So it feels really good to get a haircut. So I'm gonna show y'all my raise. Shout out to Surag, Team Surag. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll show y'all what's up. Show y'all what's spinning. Ah man, excuse me. Show y'all my waves now. Yeah. Turned out real good, man. Wolfing season is over. Waves, man. Some waves. Damn. Yeah. You spinning. Yeah, we spinning. As you can see, we spinning. Spinning on them. Spinning on them. Yeah. That's what's up, y'all.